Okay, so we had the Millennial Business Summit, and Natasha Cano with Cano Marketing came on, and she literally blew our socks off when it came to discussing digital advertising for entrepreneurs. So her session was all about digital advertising. And in case you don't know, my name is Monica Michelle with Monica Michelle Marketing. I am the solutionist marketer. I support emerging businesses from going from the best kept secret to being well known in their industries. So one thing that I can definitely say that we learned inside of the Millennial Business Summit is just some of the basics around when it comes to ads. And with that being said, let's dive into what she said, and then we're going to talk a little bit more about it. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. So good. So do you have any final words for us before we wrap up the summit? Because this is the last day, and I want to make sure everyone gets everything that you have to say.
My last word of advice would just be make sure that when you're running your ads, no matter what type it is, whether it's brand awareness, engagement, conversion ads, retargeting ads, webinar ads, any kind of ad that you're running, you want to make sure that you do it from Ads Manager. So don't do it from your phone. Don't do a boosted post from your phone. Just don't do it. Don't do it from Ad Center, which is another place that it's kind of like, I don't know, a beginner interface type of situation that they have going on. Don't do it there. Just make sure that you're running your ads from Ads Manager, because then you'll really have all the targeting capabilities. That's like one of the biggest differences, as well as like there's so much more analytics, and that is where you want to run your ads from to get like the best results. So to be able to grow your audience, get more leads, get more sales, that's really where you're going to see the results. And they make that very confusing. And so I like to always tell my people, you know, what's up. So Ads Manager, Business Manager, go there. That's it.
I mean, that is definitely a good point. And if you can't figure out how to get to it, if you're like me, just Google. So that is definitely something that I found to be extremely helpful and very poignant in making sure you're running ads that have a higher probability of converting, as well as more direct access to the people that you want to get your stuff in front of. Because as business owners, yes, we do want to get the word out. We want to let people know who we are, what we're doing. But what we don't want is to be in front of everybody across the board. Who we want to be in front of is people that are most likely to buy or purchase our said thing. The people that are very on point and that they are poised and ready to make our purchase. Because if someone's not poised and ready to make our purchase and we're showing them their ad, then they're less likely to make that purchase, right? Because they're not ready for it. Or even if we're showing the ad to someone that is not ideal, they're not even the ideal person for our product or service, then, you know, we're wasting money. I mean, that's the bottom line of it. We're wasting money. And that's one thing that we definitely do not want to do as small business owners. We want to ensure that we are maximizing our space and doing what we need to do to take care of things. So if you are needing assistance in taking care of ads, then you definitely want to reach out to Cano Marketing. Another option that you have is swing by the millennialbusinesssummit.com, and you can catch all the replays there. In addition to, you'll get all the bonuses that come with each of the classes and each of the sessions. The benefit of getting that is it's probably going to give you that baseline and make sure you're ready for your ads. So that way you don't have to reach out to her and then you start working with her to find out that there's a bunch of preliminary stuff that you need to get done. Go ahead and get your preliminary stuff done first and then connect with her. Listen, if you need any help or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, by all means, leave me a comment, send me a DM. I look forward to connecting with you in the future. And I hope you have a great day when you run your next ad. Bye.